What up, what up, what up? Welcome to another episode of B-Tech Productions. Today we're going to go over how to add text just like this. But first, you already know we got to roll that intro. Let's go. All right, we're going to go ahead and that's right, we're going to share our screen. Now we have our screen shared and we see that we have a clip up here. All right, so let's play it here. What up, what up, what up? Welcome to another episode of B-Tech Productions. My name is B. Basically, all right, cool. So let's just say we want to add the what up, what up, what up right when I say it. All right, what's going to help you a lot is you looking at the waveforms down here. Okay, so we can see here. What up, what up, what up? So these three right here is where I'm saying what up, what up, what up. All right, so I like to make those bigger. So let's start at the first one. So what we're going to do is add a title. So what I like to do, go up here to titles, and then we're going to search for custom. And then we're just going to add it here. Okay. We're going to shorten that down a lot. Okay. And then another thing that you could do is right click this, make default title. So then when you do that and you do Control T, bam, come right up. Okay. All right, cool. So we need to say what up. And we work smarter, not harder. So we'll just copy and paste this. I like to use impact, and then we'll make this big. Okay. You can change the color if you want to by going down here to face. Click show and then change the color. So if you wanted red, orange, whatever, let's do orange. Orange is nice. All right, so we'll take this and we'll start at the first one. What up, what up? They're quick too, and you want to stack them on top of each other. So this first one, let's say we want over here. This second one, let's say we want over here, and then this third one, let's say we want over here. Okay, so now we just got to get the timing right. Okay, what up, what up, what up? Welcome to another almost episode. What up, what up, what up? And what I like to do, I like to end it at the same time. So let's have them all going off the screen at the same time. Okay, let's see. What up, what up, what up? Welcome to another episode of See that? Nice. What up, what up, what up? Welcome to another episode. What up? Welcome to another episode of B. Okay. Oh, you could do this. This is something that you could do. You could have it in the same spot. What up, what up, what up? And then do this one like right here. Covering the face. What up, what up, what up? And change this. What up, what up, what up? Welcome to another episode. I like that. So it's all about your creative preferences. What up, what up, what up? Welcome to another episode of B-Tech Productions. My name. So that's how you do it. So just a couple things to note. If somebody is talking a lot, then you're going to have a lot of text to like manually key in. Okay. But the more time you spend on something, the more people are going to be like, wow, that was really nice. I used to be in the mind state of, I'm not about to spend a lot of time on this. Like, I'm going to get this done, woo, and everything like that. But if at the end of the day, I want people to be like, wow. Oh my God. Then I have to put the work in. Message. You know, so that's what this is. So I definitely would not recommend it for like a whole video, even a whole minute video, because that's a lot of words. You know what I'm saying? But just to emphasize something really quickly, and put it on screen and keeps people attention, then you could definitely do that. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one.